it's your time, baby. It's your time, baby. Get my baby. That's the difference when you're my baby. That's how it is when you. Nobody make me stop the world.
Hi there, welcome to My Hour Style. My name is Tammie and I use travel, lifestyle, and fashion to show you what it's like to be black, plus and abroad. As you're getting familiarized with some of the content on my channel, I'm sure you might be asking yourself, why grocery hauls? That seems so random based on the content that's generally on this channel. About 4 weeks ago, I decided that I needed to change the way that I eat. And the best way that I've done that, the most successful way that I've done that in the past, is preparing my own meals. And so, even though I did want to take this challenge, I also put into perspective my lifestyle. I work an 8 to 5 job, and I'm trying to get a content creation business off the ground. So I am busy. But I wanted to use this platform as an opportunity to hold myself accountable and show up for myself. Also, I'll be posting cook with me's on my Instagram feed as well. So ingredients featured in these grocery hauls will be used on that platform. And as a person with a busy lifestyle, I don't have time to spend hours and hours in the kitchen. So a lot of the cook with me's that I'm posting on social media are easy to follow recipes, they are healthy, and they are tasty. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's get into this haul. Y'all, I am still trying to wean myself off of sugar. I had a major backslide this week, but the only thing that you can do is pick yourself up and prepare yourself to forge ahead within your eating goals by purchasing things that are healthy and that are the opposite of the foods that you're using to backslide. So with that being said, let's get into some of the things that I purchased this week. So first and foremost, I bought 2 pounds of mild Italian sausage. Last week, if you followed my haul and you followed my cook with me on Instagram, the meal that I prepared was quite heavy. And so I want to prepare something a little bit more light this week. So Italian sausage is one of the things that I'm going to need for that recipe. Another thing that I picked up was fresh fruits and vegetables. Vegetables will be going in the recipe and fruits will be used to snap. I like to get carrots that are singular instead of in bulk because they help me to control waste. I got 3 medium-sized carrots. Same thing with celery. Now I'm a celery bandit. What does that mean? That means instead of getting that big old bag of celery, I'll just take what I need out of a bag and then leave the rest for somebody else. I know that that's bandit-like behavior, but unfortunately, that's what I do to decrease waste in my house. So, I only got 3 stalks of celery because that's all that I need, just 3. I don't need 11 stalks. Another thing that I got, and you shouldn't be surprised about this, is a sweet onion and a bell pepper. This time, instead of getting a green bell pepper, I got red for a little bit of color and for the taste as well. Then rounding out my savory ingredients, I got some potatoes. So at my local grocery store, they import a lot of goods from other places. And these are the only potatoes that they have. I'll take one out so you can see. They're like these egg-sized potatoes, and they're basically a basic potato, but it's just, the sizing is different. So I got those, and yeah, I'm gonna be using those in my recipe as well. Another thing that I forgot to mention with my savory ingredients is this cream. And so I needed some cream, and I got it. I needed some breakfast items, y'all. And so one of the things that I want to incorporate in my healthy eating journey is eating more breakfast. So I got this oatmeal. I got 2 kinds because they come in different flavors. This is chocolate chip. I've already had this, and this is pretty good. I like to add like some low-fat cream in my oatmeal, and I also like to add nuts, sometimes cinnamon, and so I can really like beef this up and it tastes really good. Another kind is gluten-free oatmeal, and it is apple and cinnamon. Again, as we discussed, I'm a person on the go. I don't want to be preparing meals for a long periodically time in the kitchen. So this instant oatmeal comes in handy. Also, it's getting to be really cold here. And so oatmeal is a good stick to your ribs food that is just comforting in this cold weather. So I'm going to stop here and ask you a question. Based on the ingredients that you've seen so far, what do you think that I'm going to make? Feel free and comment below. All right, so next, I got some fruits. I love these things from my local grocery store. I feel like most grocery stores have fruit that's already cut up. And so if you have the time to cut up your own fruit, it is less expensive. However, I don't. And so I purchased these, and they're convenient. Instead of me reaching for other treats that I like to eat as snacks, this helps to curb my appetite. So this one is a gooseberry, raspberry, and blueberry medley. I'm sure I'm leaving a berry out, but you get the point. Berries are really good in antioxidants, so I try to grab a couple of these. This one is papaya and blueberry. Such a nice mix of flavors. Pineapple is really good for inflammation, and it's one of my favorite fruits. So I typically grab one of these at the store as well. And then last but not least, I also grab some grapes. I've already been eating off of them. I typically will wash them and then put them in the sink to kind of air dry, and then put them in a container in my refrigerator. All right, so that is the end of my grocery haul. Please remember to go to my Instagram feed and watch my cook with me to see what I'm making with some of the ingredients in this haul this week. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be up on all of my uploads. Bye.
Passion, be what you ask for. So tell me if you want action. Until the lights back on.